Hello, I'm Jacob Sam LaRose. I worked on I Know I Wish I Will with Eastside, and I have the joy of reading one of the poems that was produced for the project. This poem's by Isla, Elfine, Flora, and Tara of Sheepscombe Primary School in Gloucestershire, and it's entitled I Know I Wish I Will. We know that the world's not right. The politicians just want to fight. We wish that the sea was blue so that we could all enjoy it, me and you. We know that the world's a mess, that Donald Trump just causes stress. We just wish the air was clear. No more burning, no more fear. We will change this horrible place, stopping anger, darkness, frustration, disgrace. We will keep our forests green so the animals have a cleaner scene. We wish people would fight no more, stopping all the ghastly gore. So why don't you just listen to us and stop all of the horrific fuss? We are right and they are wrong. So if you want change before too long, read our words and follow along so we can all sing the same happy song. That's I Know I Wish I Will by the poets of Sheepscombe Primary School. I hope you enjoyed it.